we put the minced meat in a bowl. Add the 2 eggs, garlic and perejil. Then we put the salt and mix it. Then we add the breadcrumbs to thicken the dough. And we mix it again. At this time, when everything is well mixed, we begin to round it. When you have rounded everything, you start to coat it. And we fry all the meatballs. Now we start making the sauce. Pour in saucepan a little of remaining oil from the fried meatballs, 3 or 4 tablespoons of flour and a little water. And we add garlic, parsley, mix well with a fork to undo the flour. We put all the meatballs inside the sauce and cover them with water. We remove it until everything is well mixed and let it simmer for about 10 minutes.